In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art by using Blender and Photoshop. Create a plane, subdivide it with 15 subdivision cuts, and randomize it. Select random vertices and bring them up a bit. Add a wireframe modifier. As you can see, this render alone can serve as a good abstract art. Let's lower the thickness value. Let's add a UV sphere. Select the UV sphere and shift-select the plane. Press Ctrl P to parent it. If we instance the plane mesh on verts, we'll see this effect. This is a good way to create a star field or abstract art as well, because the duplicated mesh can be anything. We can bring the original sphere to the center and the spheres will blend in with the wireframe. Let's set up a render scene with Ctrl, Alt and Numpad 0 and render the scene. Add a new layer and fill it with any colors. Control-click the wireframe layer to select only the wireframe image. Add another layer. Paint it using multiple colors like this. Lower the opacity of the top layer. We can bring in another render of the wireframe from a different angle like this. Then we can use any colors, even gradients, to fill the bottom layer. This is the end of the abstract art tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.